White boxes line the quiet light. Black letters fade with time in sight. Majorette dreams beneath the seal. Silent wonders almost real. Countless boxes side by side. Each one whispers something inside. I trace the print, I breathe a still. Each question mark a waking thrill. Every edge a coded sign. A heartbeat wrapped in factory line. It's not the chase, it's how they gleam. A hidden world inside my dream. Mystery box, wide and still. Words of black contain the thrill. Lines in place that hide the spark. Calling softly through the dark. Majorette, a name that stays. Echoed through my quiet days. Every turn, each card defined. A mirror of my heart and mind. My No tape, no sound, no breaking seal. Just patience shaping what I feel. Under lamplight's gentle tone, these boxes make my world my own. I count the time the shadows play between the labels in need array. One more dream, one more chance to join the quiet box romance. Not for winning, not for gold, but for the stories yet untold. Somewhere beneath each printed mark awaits a spark against the dark. Mystery box, my core refrain. You keep my heart from losing gain. Majorette, the name I trust. Metal dreams that never rust. Every silhouette, soft and clean, holds the joy I've always seen. Silent art, I breathe, I find peace inside this printed line. Time stands still, the light bends slow over silver cars below. Chrome and color, hues refined, pieces of a gentle mind. Rows of legends lined with care, moments frozen in the air. They tell the tales I can't explain in whispered tones of soft reality.